10-hour international flight? That sounds miserable. But not if you're lucky enough to fly American Airlines Flagship first class. This is our experience on the absolute best flight of our lives. So we're about to board a Flagship first, back home from London, landing in Dallas, and Shauna luckily hit the jackpot. She got the SSSS jackpot. All right, let me give you a tour of our seating area here. And here you have a nice little cubby that has all your charging cables, along with a mirror that I actually just noticed, which actually comes in handy. Up here, I kind of stored all my pillows and bedding. Got the Amenity Kit here, which I'll go through. This is actually a nice table overlooking not one, not two, but 3 windows. And this, the chair that I'm in, actually swivels, so you can pull this out, and it's a full desk. So if you want to get some work done. Here we have the touch screen for the seat. This was awesome. This actually allows you to go through different seat preferences. So if you want to be at the desk, it turns you around. Movie, if you want to relax, the bed, which was phenomenal with the bedding, and the dining, which puts it up so you can eat properly. There we have their menu, which not a bad wine and champs menu. And then the food, which I did not get a chance to partake in last night because it was served at midnight. And I wanted to get some sleep instead. But Shauna had some of it and said it was great. Shauna, of course, had the gourmet cheese board, which she loved. And then for breakfast, I did get the frittata, which was great. And then the seat that I'm in, actually, down here, there's a button, and it spins all the way around. We have the footstool. As you can see, I'm taking advantage of the slippers, along with the flight screen. Plenty of storage space underneath, along with a perfect little cubby hole for your shoes. And then here's the main dining desk. So we have a few buttons down here. We have light, which turns on a light down at the bottom there. TV will pop out this TV. And then table, which pops this up. And then this table is real large. So it opens all the way up. You got plenty of room to maybe have a laptop or an iPad here while you're also eating. Just plenty of space and plenty of room. So it's time for the bathroom tour. Down here, we have a sink, including running water and soap. Over here, you have the toilet, and that completes the bathroom tour. Let's take a look at the amenity kit now.
These seats would have been over $10,000 per seat. Fortunately, I travel a lot for work, so I was able to use award miles to book these seats. So by spending 460,000 award miles, I was able to get both of these seats for only $654. On our flight from Dallas to London, we both had window seats, which made it nice that we could both open the windows whenever we wanted to look out on such a long flight. However, I actually preferred the return flight more from London to Dallas. Reason being is I was sitting in the center, Shauna was sitting at the window, and by having that configuration, it actually made it a lot easier for us to interact and share in the experience together. My favorite thing from the entire flight was the bedding. Actually, that was my second favorite. My favorite thing, if I'm being honest, was actually the sundae. I don't know why, but sundaes just taste better at 30,000 feet. So my second favorite thing was the bedding. It was such a surreal experience to be on a flight and have a seat that turns into a full bed, complete with a Casper topper, which was actually quite comfortable. It was some of the best sleep that we had both gotten in our entire 22-day trip.
There they are.
The baby.
Look at this little Baba girl.
The baby.
Hi.
It's the baby.
Hi, babies.
It's the baby.
Let's go back. Come on.
Yes, I know it.